Imagine walking into a spotless space, fresh, organized, and professionally maintained. That feeling of comfort and confidence, that is exactly what Destler Group delivers. And now you can experience it online. Welcome to DestlerGroup.com, a clean modern website that reflects the quality and professionalism of Destler Group cleaning services. From the residential cleaning to commercial spaces, everything you need is clearly presented, making it easy for customers to understand your services and take action. The website is fast, mobile friendly, and easy to navigate. Whether someone is browsing on the phone during a busy day or on their laptop at home, they can quickly find what they need and get in touch without stress. Now, here is a quick tech tips. Your website is your digital storefront. Before anyone calls you, visit your office, or send a message, they check you online first. And if they don't find you or your page look outdated, they move on to the next option. Another important tip: a website works for you 24/7. Even when you are not available, your website is showcasing your services, building trust, and converting visitors into customers. Let's be honest, social media alone is not enough. You don't own this platform and your visibility can drop anytime. But with a website, you are in control. It becomes your business headquarters online. Every serious business needs a website because it builds credibility, increases visibility, and positions you as a professional in your industry. Destler Group is a perfect example: simple, clear, and effective. A website that not only looks good, but also brings in results. So ask yourself, is your business easy to find online? Does your brand reflect the quality you offer? If not, this is your opportunity to change that. Get a professional website that works for you and grow your business. Call or WhatsApp 07083769978. That is the number. Take your business online today and let your brand speak for you even when you are not in the room. Bye.